Hi, it's Jonathan here, DJ Puff the Third. You see my hat's busted. It's decided that the popper isn't going to work anymore. As always, not felt brilliant today, but forced myself to get active. And now I've done a little bit on ingress. Linked somewhere in Thornton to Norwood, Thornton to Norwood Lake, and then struggled all the way up here. 3 130 buses, prams. I gave up in the end. I walked around the corner, got an empty 410. Anyway, made my way up to Norwood Lake, had a drink, and now I'm up at Chainsaw Wall. So I've got to look into this bloody camera, haven't I? But I'm up at Chainsaw Wall, so I'm going to have to take a look at some of the graffiti. I'll swing it round. Some of my stuff here as well that I've recently done. Here's Squirrel going stupid in the background. Anyway, take a look at what's here. We have Soak, S-O-A-K, and I saw him the other day. And Maze, IBS, also saw him the other day, so Soak and Maze. Up here, a butt ugly VTZ face mashed up with a train, which is one of my horrible masterpieces. Yeah, disgusting, isn't it? But I created the VTZ face, the veteran's face, basically. You might have seen PS face and MZ, Murder Zone. Well, I done the VTZ face. And Senzo here. Someone's had a bit of a pot shot in pink. KO, K-A-E-O, KO. And next to that, you may have seen this one a few times recently, Ink. 1980, baby. I don't know whether that means that's how old they are or they've been going since 1980, but I don't know about that. I've only noticed them in the last year or so, but I think this is one of the better ones, definitely. And it's always a duck smoking a spliff for some reason. Two eyes to look and one to see. And it says government on it. And maybe, look at this, maybe. Brilliant stuff. He turned up right at the end the other day when Soak, J01 and Maze were here. And then maybe turned up right at the end as the sun was going down. There's one here. I'm not entirely sure what it says, but I have a feeling that it could be one of DPM crew. But I can't be sure. There's a knees shout on it. Soak, Mood and Pow. Mood and Pow are both gone now. But I'll probably have to send you a picture of that one to Knees and see if he knows what it is. All the letters look all over the place. I have to contact DPM, the pizza man. And that's Soak with Soak over the top. Nice little fire background ditty. And in the corner is Aphid, which is basically a reverse of Differ. Mark Allen Grover Differ, and that's by Doughter, Fresh King of the South. So D-I-F-A, Differ, or Aphid the other way around. That's Doughter. And around the corner I had to put a little bit of emulsion up here, but here's one of my masterpieces. Not. And I was scrapping while doing this one, and the one on my local street was even more scrapping. So we've got twin gem here, fat carrot, and I've actually put shine on this one, and I never put shine on my carrots. I wonder why. Trying not to fall over. You see I've got a lighter orange and then blow over with a little bit of a dark orange. To be honest, I didn't want to have the white background, but the thing is, it's raw wool and it needs paint on it for other paint to stick to it. It's just like pure brick. So it did start with just the blue outline, and then I ended up just having to use the white around the outside, and I'd rather not waste white paint, because white paint, black paint are always at the premium. But look at that. And go back again. Differ, Aphid, soak. Probably one of DPM crew. I honestly couldn't tell you what it hang on. I think I figured it out. I think it's Yowza, Y-O-W-S-A, or Yowzy. He could, I tell you what, I don't know. I'll send a picture to Knees and I'll ask him, but it could be Yowza or Yowzy. Confusing. Oh, I don't know. Maybe an eyeball and a duck smoking a spliff. Yes, a duck smoking a spliff. But I think this is one of the better ones. And KO. And the usual eggs. Look, there's another duck up the top there, look. 1826. Ink Junkie, 1826, A-cab. 1826, flipping that duck's been going a long time. Fail. Salem Taze. Oh. Clark Doubt, Eggism and Sens. So yes, this wall, of which they've called chainsaw wall, because Anik was supposedly have come down here with a chainsaw and cut a few stumps back, but they've decided in the community to call it chainsaw wall. And it's pretty much replacing Annerley, the ruined sports centre. It's a chill, cushy spot, but it's not quite the same as Annerley, but it'll have to do, I'm afraid. Oh, flappy. Yeah, the squirrel seems to have gone quiet now. Squirrel! And not feeling too bad at the moment. I'm going to have a sit down for a few minutes and then I'll go for 4:10 bus again. I've yet to decide which way. Go back to Nord or go to Crystal Palace. I don't know. but I thought I'd do a video of update of Chainsaw Wall. And if you want to go over the graffiti again, just stop and then go back. It's very colourful and it changes every other day or every several days. Oh, flipping heck. It never ends, does it? Getting tired. Anyway, I'm going to end it here. Bye for now.